Hey skinnies, and welcome back. You are probably like, what the frig? What the frig, Josh? What the frig?
Why are you already in
makeup? Well, let me tell you why. Because I'm not doing my makeup today. I know, it may come off as a shock.
We're doing something
else. And I mean, can you guess what we're about to do? Can you guess? Can you give a guess for me? Time's up. We're gonna be
gaming.
We're gonna be a gaming channel. The beauty industry is always kinda crazy, you know, all the time. So I'm not a beauty guru anymore. Yeah, like, I'm a gamer now. So, we're gonna be playing Fortnite. I'm not good at the game. I'm not okay at the game. I'm not decent at I literally suck. Yeah. I mean, I'm scared. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not a professional. I'm not PewDiePie. I'm not Ninja. I'm not, like, a real gamer, you know? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm probably gonna get bullied. Probably gonna get, you know, attacked. And I'm okay with that, because I deserve it. Are you guys ready to see me snap? Or get snapped on? I'm probably gonna get snapped on. Can we get into this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter? Ooh. I mean, what is makeup? We don't know what that is. Anyways, let's go! I'm so
excited.
Boys! I bet you guys are shaking. I bet you guys are confused. I bet you guys are like, what is going on? Let me tell you. And I'm on Fortnite because I'm a queen. And I'm a streamer now. I'm a Twitch streamer. And you know. So I'm here with Miss Tyrell Schroeder, the one, the only fat bitch. Period. And we stand. Period.
So like, why are you talking low? Or are you like shy? Or you like shy? So are you like shy? And like you're talking like really low and like your mic is not turned up. So like,
oh! Is somebody coming? Someone's right here.
You're crazy, by the way.
Bitch, what's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch.
Ah! They both have shields! Oh my god, you're kidding! We are dead. Right.
So Joey, you're gay, right?
You can't get rid of me,
I thought that was me who responded. Oh my god, who's getting jumped? Oh!
Plus your respect laws.
Yeah. And I'm think about it. Yeah. It was all of my hey. Wait, bitch, I'm gonna get copyrighted! Oh!
Copyright, turn it off.
Humiliating! Oh, cause like I saw the robot or whatever on Instagram, so I thought that was the event. I'm assuming. Oh, this is my first time seeing it. It's so cute.
Very Power Ranger teens.
Are we jumping somebody?
Help me! Help!
Ah! Oh my.
Fortnite doesn't automatically send you a game chat. Melina.
Yeah.
Oh.
I forgot I was on mute. I'm sorry.
Period, Melina.
Period. Are you like a default? Are you a default?
No.
Period.
Wait, were you the girl with that ugly ass Easter skin?
Ah!
Oh, okay, so the people I was playing with before, when I was like playing in a party with them, they wanted to be fake people. So I was like, okay.
Ah.
And I forgot to change it back. So yeah.
How you gonna come up in my house?
Flash, what about it? What about it?
Oh my god,
Very Mortal Kombat.
oh, they are coming! Wait!
Oh,
What? Oh my god, are you kidding me? There was a hole in the floor. Okay.
It was a setup.
Someone finally has to make it's about time. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I have no idea. I guess tilted. Cooking mama, turn on your mic, period.
To me, mama. Someone said I said that.
Right.
Right now.
Oh. Where's my Glock? Where's my gun? Oh my god, I have no gun on my hip. How am I supposed to shoot young Nick?
Oh, don't kill me.
I have a flip gun. No, cooking mama. Oh my god, everyone's up there. I can't even.
That man just thanked me on the You don't kill your
And that's how you do. Give me your gun. Period. Alright, we gotta get these reboot cards. Is that somebody? Okay. Let me get your boot pop. Girl, get in.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Ah! Where's the reboot card, cooking mama? HX in Keysharda.
Yo.
Oh wait, here's your blue pop. Drop that. Sarah, hello?
Yeah.
Girl, like, you just standing there.
I was really contemplating on making my noodles. I want to make my noodles.
I wanna fight.
Keyshawn, you want to fight?
I think you wanna fight.
You want to fight?
You gotta let this thing to press. Oh, why did I stop? Girl. And then just in the dying of hunger. What up? Skip the door. Hey, yes.
Take a short vacation from you'll be okay.
Where's the juices? I know you picked up the juices. Cough it
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
up. Yes. You love a mukbang. Period. Ah, I'm Trisha Paytas.
Is your name actually Keyshawn though?
Yeah.
That is so ugly.
Oh, you're so mean.
Oh, I'm so sorry that you're being
I'm being
like,
jumped.
This bitch just shot at me. I'm not happy.
I ain't with nobody.
Ah! I'm being jumped. Oh my god, I have no mat. Bye. What is going on? Oh my god, I'm coming. Keyshawn! I have no mat, so I'm completely useless.
Oh my god,
Ooh.